Have you ever bought a gadget that seemed like a simple impulse purchase, only to wonder how you ever lived without it afterward? What if I told you that some of the most life-changing products on Amazon aren't the expensive ones everyone talks about? They're the hidden gems solving problems you probably didn't even realize you had. Today's lineup is packed with smart gadgets that can upgrade your home, boost your productivity, simplify your daily routine, and even improve your health. And trust me, by the time we get to our number one pick, you'll probably be adding it straight to your cart. So stick around, because these are 10 Amazon gadgets that are surprisingly life-changing. Let's jump right in. Number 10. ATuMan Mooda Smart Clock. At first glance, this looks like a beautifully designed desk clock. But don't let its minimalist appearance fool you. The ATuMan Mooda Smart Clock is one of those gadgets that quietly transforms the way you organize your day. Instead of cluttering your workspace with separate timers, clocks, weather displays, and reminders, this compact device combines everything into one sleek package. Imagine sitting down at your desk to work. Without touching your phone, you instantly see the time, indoor temperature, humidity, countdown timers, and customizable information, all displayed on an elegant digital screen that blends perfectly into almost any room. It doesn't scream for attention. It simply works. That's exactly why people love it. Whether you're working from home, studying for exams, cooking dinner, or even practicing meditation, having quick access to multiple pieces of information without opening distracting apps can make a surprising difference. One feature people don't expect is how customizable it is. You can rotate between different display layouts depending on your mood or setup, making it feel more like a premium smart accessory than just another clock. Sometimes the smallest upgrades create the biggest improvements in everyday life. And this gadget proves exactly that. But what if your next gadget didn't just make your desk smarter? What if it could completely change the way you light up any space, whether you're at home or miles away from civilization? Number 9. Clemas Telescopic Camping Light. Most portable lights do one thing. They sit on a table. Or hang from a hook. And that's about it. The Clemas Telescopic Camping Light takes a completely different approach. Collapsed, it's incredibly compact. But with one quick pull, it extends into a tall, adjustable lamp that lights up an entire area in seconds. Think about arriving at a campsite after sunset. Instead of fumbling with flashlights or awkward lanterns, you simply extend the pole, switch it on, and suddenly your campsite feels organized, bright, and comfortable. Even if you never go camping. This thing is surprisingly useful. Power outage? Instant room lighting. Working in the garage? Perfect overhead illumination. Late night backyard barbecue? No problem. Emergency roadside repair? You'll be glad it's in your trunk. Its rechargeable battery keeps it running for hours, while multiple brightness settings let you choose between soft ambient light or powerful illumination when you really need it. The adjustable height is what makes it stand out. Instead of pointing light in one direction, it spreads it naturally across the entire area, making everything easier to see. Number 8. Whoop 5.0 Activity Tracker. Most fitness trackers count your steps. The Whoop 5.0 tries to understand your body. Instead of constantly staring at calories burned, Whoop monitors recovery, sleep quality, strain, and overall readiness, helping you know when to push harder and when your body actually needs rest. It's like having a personal performance coach wrapped around your wrist. Imagine waking up feeling fine, but your tracker tells you your recovery score is unusually low. Instead of crushing an intense workout, you decide to take it easy. Days later, you realize you avoided burnout before it even happened. That's information most smartwatches simply don't provide. For athletes, busy professionals, or anyone trying to improve their health, it's a surprisingly eye-opening tool. Now here's something that feels like it came straight out of the future. Number 7. Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus. Ever wondered what your pets actually do while you're away? The Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus lets you find out. This tiny rolling robot drives around your home with a built-in camera, two-way audio, and smart navigation, giving you eyes and ears wherever you need them. You can remotely check on your dog, talk to your cat, or simply make sure everything looks normal while you're traveling. But here's the feature people don't expect. Many owners use it to check on elderly family members, monitor kids, or even investigate strange noises without leaving the room. It's surprisingly versatile, and honestly pretty fun to drive around. Now, if you've ever wished writing on a tablet actually felt like writing on paper, you're going to love this one. Number 6. Remarkable Paper Pro. The Remarkable Paper Pro isn't trying to replace your laptop. It's replacing your notebook. Unlike traditional tablets packed with notifications and distractions, this device focuses entirely on writing, sketching, reading, and organizing ideas. The paper-like display feels incredibly natural, making note-taking almost addictive. Whether you're brainstorming business ideas, studying, journaling, or planning projects, it keeps everything neatly organized without endless stacks of paper. One underrated benefit? Many users say they concentrate longer because there are no social media apps constantly fighting for their attention. Sometimes simplicity really is the smartest feature. Speaking of better mornings, this next gadget fixes a problem almost everyone has. Number 5. USCCE Loud Dual Alarm Clock. We've all hit the snooze button more than once. The USCCE Loud Dual Alarm Clock is designed for people who simply refuse to wake up. Its extra loud alarm, adjustable brightness, easy controls, and dual alarm settings make it perfect for couples or anyone with different weekday and weekend schedules. But there's another reason people love it. Unlike relying on your smartphone alarm, this keeps you from starting every morning by immediately opening social media. Sometimes putting your phone across the room isn't enough. A dedicated alarm clock can actually improve your morning routine more than you'd expect. Now let's make it even easier to see everything happening around your home. Number 4. Portable Projector. Imagine turning any blank wall into a giant movie screen. That's exactly what a modern portable projector lets you do. Whether you're camping outdoors, hosting a backyard movie night, traveling, or just relaxing in your bedroom, you can enjoy a cinematic experience almost anywhere. Many models now connect wirelessly to your phone, laptop, or streaming devices, making setup incredibly simple. The underrated advantage? It's not just for movies. People use portable projectors for gaming, presentations, workout videos, and even holiday decorations. One gadget. Endless entertainment. The next gadget might save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in ammunition. Number 3. Laser Training System. Want to improve your shooting skills without constantly visiting the range? The Laser Training System offers a smarter way to practice at home. Instead of firing live ammunition, it uses a laser cartridge and training targets to simulate shooting drills safely. This allows users to work on accuracy, trigger control, and reaction time while dramatically reducing training costs. The best part? Instant feedback helps you see exactly where your shots would have landed, making practice more engaging and productive. Whether you're a beginner looking to build confidence, or an experienced shooter refining your technique, it's a convenient way to sharpen your skills between range visits. After that, let's look at something almost everyone needs, but hardly anyone remembers to buy. Number 2. Keyboard Cleaning Kit. Take a quick look at your keyboard. Now imagine everything hiding underneath those keys. Dust, hair, crumbs, even bacteria. The keyboard cleaning kit is packed with specialized tools that reach places ordinary cloths simply can't. Tiny brushes, cleaning pens, keycap tools, air blowers. Everything works together to make your keyboard, earbuds, camera gear, and other electronics look almost brand new. The funny part? Most people don't realize how dirty their devices are until they start cleaning them. It's oddly satisfying, and surprisingly addictive. And finally, the gadget that proves the simplest ideas are sometimes the smartest. Number 1. TickTime. We've all said, "I'll start in 5 minutes." Then somehow an hour disappears. The TickTime is a beautifully designed productivity timer built to keep you focused. Instead of opening distracting timer apps on your phone, you simply flip the device to start different countdowns instantly. No complicated setup. No notifications. No distractions. Whether you're studying, cooking, working out, or using the Pomodoro technique, TickTime helps you stay on track with minimal effort. Its sleek design looks great on any desk, and because it's so easy to use, you'll actually find yourself using it every day. Sometimes the smallest gadgets end up making the biggest difference. So there you have it. 10 Amazon gadgets that are surprisingly life-changing. From smart desk accessories and portable lighting to AI-powered home companions, digital notebooks, kitchen time savers, precision tools, and pocket-sized productivity hacks, every one of these gadgets proves that the best innovations aren't always the biggest or the most expensive. Sometimes, it's the little things that quietly make your everyday life easier. Now we want to hear from you. Which gadget impressed you the most? Was it the robotic home companion, the reusable digital notebook, or the foldable keyboard that turned your phone into a portable office? Drop your favorite in the comments below. We'd love to know what made your wish list. And if you discovered something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next roundup of the coolest gadgets hiding on Amazon. Trust us, we've already found another collection of incredible products that most people have never seen. And you definitely won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.